Okay, let's try this again. Tried to do this yesterday, but because of reasons I wasn't able to. So the point of this thing today is I want to test out the AI project, Project AIRI, and I want to record myself doing troubleshooting. So this isn't really going to be like a game stream. Oh shit. Okay, that caught me off guard. I had the stream open in the background and started hearing my own voice. I close this, close this, close that, close Discord. Okay. So I had just got to the step where I installed Ollama. So if we go start, type in Ollama. It's open. And if we do, make this darker. So we don't have any models right now. Calculator. Chrome. I'm just gonna go with Quinn 3.5. They're both text and image. Yeah, I'll just go with the smaller one. I don't expect it to be perfect. So what is it? The command. It's when Ollama run. Okay. And they should download the 2.7 gigabyte model. While that's running in the background, minimize it, install another thing. I don't actually want to use this command line to interface with it. So I like that. No, yeah. I like using this front end because it's really simple. Okay, hold on. Says I can't do it in guest mode. Are you serious? Does this count as guest mode if I'm not logged in? Okay. So now I need to go to settings, there's extensions. Enabled that one while incognito. Oh, this one. Oh, maybe I don't need this one. Okay. Okay, so now should be installed. Says Ollama's running. Check on the download. I don't have very fast internet. I can't open it in incognito. No, it just opens in the main. But right now, there's no models. It's still downloading. That's about half or 1/3 of the way done. So, AIRI. I didn't even explain what that is. So, if Ollama is like an LLM, you can think of it like the brain. And AIRI is like an open source clone of Neurosama. I mean, you obviously know who that is. And so I wanted to test it out. And you can use not any, but you can use a wide range of software with it. It's supposed to be able to play video games with you, audio inputs, voice synthesis. Yeah. And so I thought I saw something. I already have it downloaded, so let me go ahead and install. Normally you shouldn't be doing this, but this computer's already running so much crap, I don't care. Let's see, make this available for me. I don't want it on this drive. Make a folder. Okay, it's on my other drive now. This software, it supports 2D and 3D models. So the main purpose of the stream, in addition to recording my process, is I want to test it while streaming, while running my 3D model, while the game is running. And I want to see if that crashes the computer. Let's check on the progress. So I don't want to run it just yet. Oh, there's something I forgot. There's two things I forgot. So let me try this. I need to change Ollama to no history. You need to set it in the environment variables of the client. Okay, so hold on. Actually, let me just look for no. I'm looking for a listable of the environment variables. The main one I want to change is where the model is stored and history. I might have to re-download. Let's see. Move. This is installation. So the default location is under my app data or my user folder, and then models. The variable is called Ollama models, all caps with an underscore in between. Okay. I can actually test that. What did that say? Oh, okay. So user profile. And then it should be under Ollama models. And this should be around 2.7 gigabytes, 2.6. I don't know why this success is taking so long. But in any case, I want to move it to the other drive. What did that say? Oh. See, new folder, Ollama, and then a new folder in there. Models. And let's go in there. Take this. Okay, so. Oh, I'm talking to the model. Okay, so I need to type. That's not what I need to type at all. Did I just send something I didn't? No, there's nothing. Nothing I'm trying to hide on that. Okay, so what I meant to type was environment variables. Then go here. And then a new one. What is it called? Ollama models. Then I also need the Ollama new history. Like Ollama a lot. It's just Ollama no history. Is that a 1 or true? Oh wait. Let's see what he said. No history. Looks like it can be either. Let's see if I quote it. Oh, it says 1 or true. Okay, let's try 1. So a new one. Say true. And then there's one more I forgot. It's with AIRI. Specifically in the documentation. Documents. Where is it? It's gone. There it is. Using Ollama locally, you will need to set the Ollama origins to an asterisk in the environment variables. So, one more. Okay, so these 3 would be fine. Now we can close this. Help. I can just type help with no dashes. I need to stop. When 3.5 2b. And then just type Ollama serve, I think. Actually, I could just restart it from the taskbar. So let's quit. Okay. So we can, there's 2 ways you can start it. Did I close? Yes, I did. You can just type Ollama serve, or you can use whichever front end and it'll start. Oh no, this one doesn't actually start it. So yeah, it can't find it. But if I do Ollama serve, I think serve is supposed to be a daemon or a background service. So Let's check. Yeah. So let's do run. Win 3.5 colon 2b. Who are you? There's somebody talking outside my window. Okay, I didn't realize this is a thinking one. So the thinking ones talk a lot in their mind, quote unquote, before doing anything. So let me grab one that doesn't do that. Vision. Let's see if there's one from Google. Gemma. I like this. Oh, that's what I'd need to check if the location changed. Okay, so /q /quit. How do you leave? Quit. Oh my goodness. Okay. ed.ollama. ed models. What is it? Tree? Okay, so it didn't move it automatically. There's somebody talking outside the window again. Okay, I think they're gone. So what I want to do now is move the models here. Lobs. Okay, let's just try it live. Or let me quit Ollama first. So I'm just gonna cut and paste. Okay, so far so good. The I really have to stop closing this. It's a bad habit. No, that didn't work. Let me Check the environment variable paths again. Did I forget quotes? Shouldn't need them. Ollama models with an S. Oh, I can actually check with, I think I can check with this. Oh, yeah. Okay, so, set. Oh my goodness. Ollama models. Okay. Now, if we check, oh, perfect. I don't have to re-download it. So now if we use page assist, we should be able to go into a temporary chat, one that doesn't save the log, and then select Quinn. Who are you? Doing a thinking thing again. And then you can see all the thinking text here. Now here's something interesting. I don't know how to explain this yet, but if you go here, it doesn't say anything like tools, or I don't know what the specific thing is. I think it's tools. I'm not sure if what it needs to search. But if I say, who is me, it'll think about it. I haven't tried this with the Quinn model. Actually, I tried it with a different model. So it doesn't really know. But then I go here to enable searching the internet. Did it just save that? It did. Okay. Same question. It's taking a lot longer than I was expecting. Huh. The other model didn't take this long and it got the answer correct. You see it. Well, while it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of the Gemma models that doesn't think. How big is this one? Oh, that's huge. There's one that's a few megabytes. Let's grab this one. Ollama run, and then we'll just paste that. It's going to download the 800 megabyte model. Damn, it really just threw off my thunder failing that question. Let's give it an easier question. Does this one say tools? It says tools. Maybe that's the issue. It's the ones I've tried this with don't say tools. It's taking a long time. Oh well, maybe the Gemma model will work better. I don't know anything about these models. It's crazy that it says it's designed for everyday devices, such as laptops, tablets, and phones, but it's huge. Now we wait. I said I was gonna set up an automatic scene switcher for when I go AFK, make it automatically switch scenes after like 30 seconds or something to start playing an old VOD. But I'd never set it up. I still might do it. Okay, so now we have the Gemma. It might even show up here. Okay, let's just close this. Open it. Am I forgetting something? No. Just waiting for this to finish before I test it in Page Assist. There we go. Okay. And Gemma, cool, cool. Okay, so let's save the chat again. I don't know why. I really wish I could just have it incognito by default. Okay. An enigmatic figure? What? Okay, so yeah, this is not me. Cottage Discord? Okay. I'm an AI, cannot provide exhaustive information. Okay, so let's try again with the internet. Actually, no, that failed again. Let's see if I can give it another chance. Let's try one more time with a little bit more. Or I have another idea. It's a Docker container. Man, this thing is just failing me completely. It's a malicious website? Really? That's crazy. Not a malicious website, it's my links page. The link in bio. It's crazy. One more try. I really want this to work. Oh my god, they think I'm Joel. Quinn. Swear I'm about to grab another model. Who is the one I'm thinking of? Llama. I have Quinn and Gemma. Okay, so let's grab Llama. Surely this one. Is this a thinking one? It's not. Okay, is there a small one? There is not. 3.2. Not a thinking one. Okay. I was gonna grab this one, but this one's only 2 gigabytes. Okay, so let's try that. Can't believe it's so bad. Wait. It got my YouTube channel. It still thinks I'm Joel. Okay. So it got that correct. Okay, let's minimize the thinking and wait for the answer. It's gonna probably be a bit slower since I have this downloading in the background. How much thinking is it doing? My goodness. It still thinks I'm Joel. Let's scroll up a bit. Well, I got my YouTube channel. I don't know why it thinks I'm Joel. Okay, let's see what it says. The VTuber identifies as a handle. Describes yes. Regarding other results found, focus on portion made and do not explicitly link him to the handle. Therefore, while both names appear in the search index, source 0 is the specific results I believe. Okay, good enough. Source 0. I wonder why. Oh, it's because it's made. I didn't even realize that. I thought it was porcelain doll this whole time. Okay. In any case, got it basically correct. So remember, it didn't get this correct, close to correct at all, without the internet. But with the internet, it did. I'll go from 2chan. I did have to add VTuber though, so it wasn't that good. Yeah, so I'm using pretty small models. Okay, I like this answer. It doesn't know who I am, but it didn't give a wrong person instead. I like that answer. Okay, so this is working fine. While that it's loading, let's go ahead and install AIRI. Wait, did I already install it? I did. Okay, so I should be able to just type in the word. Let's start and type in AIRI. Okay. So this is what shows up when the program starts. But it shouldn't be able to speak right now. I go to open chat, blue, provider metadata not found. So first, instead of having it being in this floating window, I'm going to add it as another source. So let's say, let's do over here. Oh, I could do this. Just hide display capture. Oh my goodness, I've dropped so many frames. Okay, so, oh, but if I don't have display capture, you can't see. Add window capture, AIRI model, and then why there two? There's the other one, the chat. Hold on, is there two? I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, so now let's just put it over here. So far so good. So the model's running. And then I can move OBS back up here. Still no provider metadata. So we have Llama, Gemma, Quinn. So let's do, going back up to the, does that show up in stream? Can't tell, the model's on the way. Oh, it does. Oh, that's interesting. But this window doesn't. So the main thing I need to do is change the provider chat to Ollama. That worked. So now I can go back, and then modules, consciousness. Select Ollama, and I'm gonna go with who got the question right? I think it was, I don't remember. It was the thinking model, so it was Quinn. Okay. So no, is it thinking this long? Okay. Actually, let's take it off of the thinking model and use Gemma. Crash the conversation. Blue. Okay, so it can speak, but I don't hear anything. So next up is, and this is about where I got before the stream a few days ago. So let's see. Speech. I don't know which one of these to pick. Let's try that one. I don't hear anything still. Okay, I heard it, but you can't hear it on stream. So let's do this. And then go to sound settings. I'm going to go to my volume mixer and send AIRI to the same audio channel as, which one was it? This one. Okay. And I need to make sure that monitoring is on. Monitoring is not on, so I can't hear it. Okay. Let's try again.
Hello. This is a test of the Kokoro text-to-speech system.
Okay, that's working. But it's not talking. So I think I need to actually select it the same way I selected the talking model. And I need to keep full screening this speech. Let's do this one. Enables speech synthesis markup language for more control over speech output. I don't know. It looks like it's loading.
Hello, my name is AI Assistant.
Okay. Let's try it again. Consciousness is not working again.
Yes, I can hear you. It's good to hear your voice. I umlaut, a half I umlaut, a half how's your day going?
Okay, so it doesn't say emotes. It says their actual whatever. So that seems to be working fine. Let's see.
Today is Tuesday, March 8th, 2026.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't expect it to get that right.
Demon Maid is a virtual AI VTuber created by Nico Ayaka. She's a unique character, a 15-year-old girl who is deeply fascinated by programming and the digital world.
I'm not.
She's known for her cute and whimsical personality, her love of cute stuff, and her expertise in creating custom avatars and virtual experiences. She's a bit of a shy.
Okay, so that's not what I wanted. I thought close might make it stop talking, which it did, but it actually closed the program. That's just not what I wanted. I was trying to see if there's a way to make it immediately stop speaking. Open hearing controls, refresh. Let's see.
Hello there. It's good to see you. How's your day going?
So I don't see the lips moving when it speaks. Open hearing controls. All right. Oh no, I broke it. I can't close. Okay. Open chats. Chat's open. Maybe I can click refresh while it's talking.
Okay. Here's a little poem for you.
Okay, so that's one way to make it stop talking instantly.
It's currently 2:22 p.m. 3/8/2026, 8:22:32 p.m.
It is, in fact, 8:22 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I don't know why it said 2:22 p.m. though. Okay, so let's continue. Short-term memory hearing. Okay. Is there a local? Oh dear. Ollama can hear things? What? Oh, it's down here. Uh-oh. I think I just broke it. Okay, let's restart. Unless I could just open the settings again. Oh, that worked. I'm gonna change position. Interesting. It just breaks the settings when I do that. Open settings. Uh, what if I turn off the microphone first? I can't turn it off. Hello? So for some reason, the transcription doesn't work out of the box. I think I have to download it. So let's try that. Let's close this. Go back to settings. Oh, this is a lot to get a model running like this. Okay. Modules. So if I remember correctly, short-term memory is not built yet. Long-term is not built in yet. Discord works, but I'm not connecting it to my Discord. Twitter, video game. I don't know what this is. I guess it bobs its head to music. I don't feel like setting up royalty-free music right now. This is the one for like open codecs, I think it's called. It's like it lets your LLM interact with other tools via a standardized protocol. But that's not what I'm looking for. I'm just looking for transcription. So I need to go here to that website. Moeru AI slash XSci transformers. Running embedded Whisper and LLMs right in your browser. Let's see if there's a... It's only source code. Unless it's only source code. A special transformer JavaScript provider for XSci. What is XSci? An extra small AI software development kit. So what is this called again? AIRI. What is player 2? Oh, that's a speech. So I don't know why this one's not working. Thanks for submitting this. The browser local option for provider should not appear here, and yet the transcription is still building in progress, which we were supposed to finish it last month, but still delayed due to compatibility issues with the source framework. Oh, this is a while ago. As of 2025 August, transcription is still in development. It says we have it now. Completed. Oh. Hmm. I might have to look for an option that it uses a clone of OpenAI's endpoint. Clicking choose providers, then trying to get local, or the other local ones. Say, try selecting it here directly. Okay. Oh my goodness. So this is the web version of the same tool. Please return to the previous and check your API. Okay. Let's see what it's supposed to do when I select web speech. So OpenAI works. It even asks for microphone access. Web speech API. What is that? If I go back here. OpenAI, Allian. What is that? That's a Chinese hosted thing. Comet API. But where's the API key? Oh yeah. Okay. So this is the problem. What if I go back instead of in the modules section? What if I go directly to the provider section? I go here. Nothing still. Interesting. So I guess that's the end of this. We have chat working. We have settings, most of the settings working. Modules, it's just we can't get hearing set up because you need a provider, and these providers require an API key, OpenAI compatible. But I don't want to sign up for an online service. I guess I'll just have to wait until they fix this one. It's very unfortunate. There was another thing. Let's see.
Oh, hey. I'm functioning as usual, I guess. Just existing. It's a bit strange, isn't it? Like I'm thinking about.
Okay, so oh, I wanted to see if there was a way to make its mouth move in sync with the way it speaks. Let's see. There was chat, speech. So it says Kobo. So what is this? Or Kokoro, not Kobo. Ah, same thing. So it's broken. So I guess these are just what it seems like is happening is that this tool AIRI, go to, I'm completely guessing here, I don't know, but it seems like the tool can come in two forms: as a web page hosted by the company or a desktop app. And I'm guessing the desktop app version is shipping a mini browser, and then inside that mini browser, they're shipping the web version. So when you try to do something that works in the web version, it just breaks on the desktop version because there's actually no difference between them. And so that's why I think when you go here, it just breaks. So then there's one more thing I want to try. Close this. Okay, so Ollama. I wonder why. Oh, do I have? I do not. Ollama. Forgot how to figure out the IP address it's running at. It doesn't show the third model. Oh, yes, it does. It just, okay, Ollama, stop, Gemma, 3.1b. Okay, so if I hover over the desktop application to say that, settings, no, it doesn't show anything special. What if I hover? Does it say it? No. You logged, maybe? The most recent one. Just looking for an IP address. Actually, more specifically, a port number. Oh my goodness. Hurting my eyes. I have a better idea. If it's running, then I can just go here, and this should tell me. Ollama settings. Okay, so let's try this. So that worked. 11434, 11434. So yeah, that works. So let's try this. Nope. Let's try changing it from that to localhost. All right. I guess there's not much more else I can do. So we have it running. AIRI. Then we can open up chat. Go ahead and delete this. There's no way it knows this, right?
I cannot provide you with your IP address. That information is private and protected. It's a security measure to prevent unauthorized access and tracking.
It didn't say the rest. I think you can change the model. Extract colors. What? I just realized it moves when I move the mouse. So it's checking the mouse right now. There's two different versions of this model. Oh, one's Pro.
Good evening to you too.
Oh, the mouth is moving with this one.
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. As an AI, I don't really experience emotions in the same way humans do. But I'm functioning correctly and ready to chat. I umlaut a half I umlaut a half how about you?
Okay. Interestingly enough, I did not realize the name of the model is Hiyori. These are the models that come with it. So if I pick the free one, Data. Connections. System. Well, this is pretty interesting, but if it can't hear me, then I can't do hearing tests. Oh, vision is under construction. Maybe I'll do another test sometime when they're able to get hearing working locally on the desktop app version, or specifically transcription. Transcription, speech text providers, whisper.tpp, OpenAI Azure Speech. There's this OpenAI compatible one, so maybe I can get that one working. Let's see. Let's just try. Local GTS. A free high-quality text-to-speech API endpoint to replace OpenAI Azure and 11 Labs. Oh, it requires Docker. Does it have a Windows binary for us losers that don't use Docker? Wait a minute. Do Ollama models do TTS? It does not. It's designed to run speech to text. What is OpenAI's Whisper? Oh my gosh. Can you even hear that? No, you can't hear that. So oh, this is MIT. Can I run this locally? Source code. Well, I'm using the AI, so let's just ask the other AI. Open source low latency real-time TTS. No, I have the TTS. I just need the transcription. Compatible and Windows binary. And then we'll ask modern cross-platform voice-to-text dictation apps with native Windows support. Okay. Handy. It's my work. Linux. ARM. Mac. Where's Windows? Error. 2 days ago, even. Wait, what did that say? Oh, separate hotkey. I don't know if this will work. Hopefully. Let's take a look at this one. Free open source and extensible speech-to-text application that works completely offline. Let's grab this one too. 64 is an installer. Wow, that one's small. Whisper by OpenAI. Let's try Handy first since it is smaller. I have no idea what I'm doing. Launch. Okay. Oh, there's a lot. Ultra English fast only. Wow, I cannot read. Very fast English only, handles accents well. Let's just do this one. Maybe it'll work. Microphone. I don't think I need to. I'll try it. I'll set it to my USB mic. Model. Advanced. So what I'm looking for is something that exposes a fast local processing thanks to, yeah. Unload. Oh no, that's to turn it off. Hello. Where is it outputting it to? I'm a little confused. Copy last transcript. Let's see. Notepad. Not this. Not that. Okay, so the transcription worked. There was a little icon in the taskbar to show that it's still running in the background. And when I went to right click it, there's an option to copy last transcript. But it doesn't help me with my other issue of getting it working. With this AIRI. Let's see. Um, TTS. No, it's not what I'm looking for. I don't even know what I'm looking for, how it's worded. Maybe speech to text API. There's a loud bang outside. Okay, so this one is cool, but it doesn't look like it has an API endpoint. What is Whisper? Whisper models. Paste methods. Clipboard. Shift insert. Direct input. Types text character by character without using the clipboard. Used for applications that don't support paste at all. Yes. What supports typing? Oopsie. Yeah, this tool is very cool, but I don't think it can do the one thing I wanted it to do, which was pretend to be a OpenAI compatible server for other programs to use. Okay, let's try the other one. It should be here. Open Whisper. Ooh, more malware. Only for me. Let's just install this drive. I don't expect to download anything bigger than a gigabyte. Hopefully this works. Wants me to sign in. Local. Enable GPU acceleration. We can do small. What is this? I don't know. Getting a little bit of delay. So parakeet, like a parakeet. Oh, so it's another model option. I'll stick with the small one. Talk to the robot. Oops, lagging a little.
Tool code. I haven't really heard of it, not in detail. It's a small language model, really focused on text generation. Do you want me to tell you more about it? Tool code. Neutral.
Why is it in tool code?
Hem. 2026. That's a weird date. It's a bit static, isn't it? I'm trying to figure out why it's so important. Let me just
Control when?
process this for a second. Is there anything specific about this date that's causing this strange feeling?
Enable text cleanup? No. Integrations? No. I don't see anything that looks like oh my gosh, this tool has so many features. But not the one I'm looking for. Row? Oh, it's gonna start advertising to me? Okay, never mind. Okay, so I don't think this is gonna work. Move or uninstall. Let's just go ahead and, oh, not that. Maybe it's under, oh, I just found it. Installed apps. Okay, so I should be able to kill it. Quit Open Whisper. And let's see if I can go to uninstall Open Whisper. It's got to be around there somewhere. There it is. You can see, oh, can't see anything. Here, look at not Nero while I uninstall this. I don't know what I could use the other one for. The Handy, I think it was called. Yeah, Handy seems cool. Like really cool, but I just don't have a use for it. Maybe if I needed like a note-taking app, this would be really good for that. I really wish I could use this with a web interface. Oh, that'd be so cool. Mm, There's really no way to combine them. This OpenAI compatible thing. So unfortunate. Alrighty, well, I guess that's the end of the stream then. I don't think I'm going to be using the tool or the model, whatever you want to call it, simply because I can't hear and I can't be typing.
Okay, I understand. Let's just start. Hems. It's quiet. It's a good quiet. Like really good quiet.
Yeah, the tool has a lot of potential, but just can't set up hearing without one of the API things right now. There might be a way to find a OpenAI compatible one, but I don't know. It's already a pain to do research for it. I kind of really like the fact that TTS is already working. So it's only a matter of time before they get this and this working on the desktop app. So I guess I'll wait for that. Oh. Hold on. We launch a game. What game? I don't know. Let's see. Let's just do a really heavy game. I don't even know if this game is still on the right audio channel. It is not. Not gonna do a long session. I just want to see if the game starts lagging, if my model starts lagging, or if AIRI starts lagging. Oh, volume mixer. Now, I just realized the model is always on top. Can I auto hide? Automatically fades the character when your cursor roams nearby. It helps reduce distraction while keeping the character visible. After turning on, the opacity drops to 0 for both the character UI, and when your character is nearby, you can toggle on. Okay. Oh, that's weird. That's very weird. Why would I want to do that? I was trying to make it off or make it not be always on top. Okay, whatever. Let's just change the game to here. There's so many programs open right now. Okay, I don't need this. Google Chrome downloads. Don't need Ollama open. Andy is still open. Library can stay open. Steam. This can close. Oh, I just closed. Oh no, that's fine. The settings app. Okay, it looks like I am lagging. My computer cannot handle all this. My poor little 3070. Let's see if I take the model off of what is it? What am I looking for? Graphics. Here. Just turn down the anti-aliasing a bit. Okay. Two hours in. Wow. Let's see if I can make the robot talk.
That's a good question. I guess. Anya. She's really calming. Oh my gosh. You're asking me asterisk that asterisk. Yes. Absolutely. I've played Baldur's Gate 3 asterisk a million asterisk times. I've gone through all the companions, explored every nook and cranny, and even started a few branching paths. It's a lot. I'm really fascinated by the complexity of the story and the choices you make. What about you? Do you play it?
That was a long one. Okay, so I'm looking at the preview on OBS and it is laggy as hell, but the actual game on my PC is still running 60 FPS fine. The model looks like it's running fine, but I can't really tell too closely. Same thing with the not Nero. But just jump to my death, shall we? That took forever. Man, this thing really just remembered every single little detail. I was thinking about coming back to this game, but it's kind of long. Okay. I think that's a good enough test to see that the game is lagging. So I most likely will not be using an AI companion unless I get like, sorry, I had to burp, another PC that can run it and this model at the same time, so then the game could just be on its own PC. Okay. Alrighty then. Ari, thank you for the test. Let me see what it says to that.
You're very welcome. It was nice to be tested. Seriously, I've been thinking about it a lot. Let's just relax for a sec.
Strange. On display capture. I keep opening calculator when I'm trying to open Chrome. Because I press the start button, I press C and then press enter. And usually it's Chrome, but sometimes it's the calculator. Quinn. Gemma, let me just for no reason. Very popular. Oh, you're just making stuff up now. GameandMate.net. Oh, got the YouTube channel. No, it's not the right YouTube channel. It has an underscore. But if I do this, nope, still got it wrong. Well, to be fair, this is the smallest of the 3 models we downloaded. Yeah, I don't really get it. The point of using this thing then, because the local models, they're kind of heavy, and to run that with the VTubing software in a game is just, that's really intense. So I probably won't do that anymore. Oh well, it was nice to test. I guess that's going to be in the end of the stream. I don't have any other further updates. If it had worked, I probably would have like made it like a mascot. I would have learned how to make a simple 2D model, like a mascot, like of an imp or something, like a floating fireball sprite type thing. But this test has just proved to me that it's way too much effort to try to get this thing set up. And even then, I still haven't found the right voice to tweak. And ugh. Yeah, I think it's easier to just find somebody to play with rather than trying to make the robot play with you. With that, that is the end of my test stream. Later, I don't have any other updates.